Okay, I already know what you're wanting, but you gotta take your shoes off, okay?
Okay.
Happy Meal?
Batman.
Ooh, what's out there?
A fighting! A fighting! Whoa, whoa!
Okay, everybody, let's take your shoes off, okay?
Whoa!
Shoes. Oh, wait.
Okay, the bathroom.
Hey!
An illuminated mirror. Some Malin Gets conditioner, shampoo, body wash, face towel, more Malin Gets bar soap, hair dryer, multiple towels, nice little sticker on the toilet paper, Resorts World, clean, attractive flooring, floor mat. All right, I got you. You pooed? Now we just got here. Yeah. Sit.
You follow me to the bed. Why do I have to be up here?
Shishi.
Sissy! Sassy!
It's Vegas.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Sofa. Oh, sofa bed. Money green sofa. Nature artwork.
No.
What you got there? Batman?
Babe.
Happy Meal.
Ah! Hey! Dad!
Uh-oh. Ooh. Got a nice double closet here. Red accents on the hangers and the luggage stand. Very spacious. Comes equipped with a Cisco VoIP digital phone. Strictly business class, baby. Oh, that's not good. I gotta see. Wow, there's a charging station here.
What, it charges?
I suppose. Whoa. Insanity. So I found out you can't actually buy this particular alarm clock online. You actually have to buy them in bulk. It's pretty nice though. Wish I had one of my own. So I'd definitely buy one. They got some boxed water here. 2 of them. A condiment kit. Right here, 2 coffee cups, coffee maker, and some coffee. You got 3 foldable hooks here on the wall for your clothes. Some magnetic chips here you can put on the outside so nobody will disturb you. A clean digital AC heater unit. Too cold. It's getting a little heat here. A trash slash recycle receptacle bin. Real clean.
Attack.
Viva! Boom! Boom! Whoa, a cool gel mattress. And as with any hotel, it's best to bring your own beer. And there are the room keys. Gonna need it tonight when I hit the casino. Huh? She wants to get some ice with mommy. Nobody's there. Sorry, excuse me. And there's no running out of soap here. A good selection of soaps by Malin and Getz. Plus a shower cap, shoe sponge, and makeup remover.